Hello everyone, we Operations Forum are back again with new and informative video. We hope you have seen our previous video on quality. If not, click on the icon or visit our Operations Forum channel for more such videos. So, today we will be discussing maintenance. Let us understand by simply looking at the introduction of maintenance. Maintenance is the combination of all technical and managerial actions during the life cycle of an item intended to retain it or restore it to a state in which it can perform the required functions. How can we define maintenance? Maintenance can be termed as the act of maintaining, the state of being maintained, care or upkeep of machinery, the process of maintaining or preserving something, the process of keeping something in good condition. Next is the process of maintenance. There are different components of software maintenance process as shown below. First is the change request. In the maintenance process, initially the request for change is made. Next one is the change management. In this place, the status of all change requests is identified and described. Impact analysis. Following activities are performed in this place. Identify all the systems and system products affected by a change request. Make an estimate of the resources needed to effect the change. Analyze and benefits of change. Next is the system release plan. In this phase, the schedule and the contents of the software release are planned. The changes can be made to all type of software maintenance. Next is the change implementation. The implementation of change can be done by first designing the changes, then coding for these changes, and finally testing the changes. Preferably, the regressions testing must be performed while testing the changes. Next is the system release. During software release, following points should be described: documentation, software, training, hardware changes, and data conversion. Now the types of maintenance can be seen further. There are 6 types of maintenance. First one is the preventive maintenance. Preventive maintenance is defined as taking precautionary steps or actions to prevent the equipment failure before they actually occur. Preventive maintenance typically involves routine inspections, upgrade, proper lubrications, adjustments, and the replacement of outdated equipments or parts. Example of preventive maintenance: as an unexpected refrigerator breakdown can leave a restaurant reeling. Performing regular inspections and cleaning of condenser coil will help prevent such costly incidents from occurring. The second type of maintenance is predictive maintenance. Predictive maintenance tracks the normal operations of the appliances or machines to detect the possible defects before they pose a problem. This type of maintenance uses condition monitoring technology to measure the performance of equipment, typically by the way of IoT, that is Internet of Things. Example of predictive maintenance: a food production plant may rely on predictive maintenance for their valuable industrial ovens 24/7 to stay competitive. A sensor would evaluate and produce data regarding temperatures and vibrations, would alert staff to make adjustments or tweaks to poor performing machines. The third type of maintenance is planned maintenance. Planned maintenance covers any maintenance that is planned, scheduled, and documented. It is basically defined as preventive maintenance that is carried out according to a set plan. Basically, planned maintenance is implemented to reduce businesses' downtime, which often stems from unforeseen equipment failure and can greatly impact a business's bottom line. Example of planned maintenance: it is generally recommended that a restaurant checks and empties its grease traps every 1 to 3 months, depending on the size and volume of business. Doing so prevented sewer lines from becoming clogged with waste. The fourth type of maintenance is condition-based maintenance. Condition-based maintenance refers to a process of taking quick actions on a machine that is in early stage of equipment failure. Many machines produce some sort of alert that the system is beginning to malfunction before total breakdown occurs. And condition-based maintenance allow for a last-minute response to a system or a machine crashing. Example of condition-based maintenance. A sensor that measures vibrations of a rotating equipment can warn you when the moving pieces starts to fall out of alignment and increase in vibration. This will cause the sensor to alert you when the vibration is out of interval you set. The fifth type of maintenance is emergency maintenance. Emergency maintenance is similar to reactive maintenance. Both processes requires a last minute response to an abrupt breakdown of equipment. However, emergency maintenance entails some type of threat to health and safety. That is, sudden chemical spillage in manufacturing plant may require total evacuation of a premises as well as alert the appropriate authority. Last but not the least, sixth type of maintenance is corrective maintenance. Corrective maintenance is best described as any action that targets and fixes a system malfunction so that equipment can be restored to a proper working condition. Example of corrective maintenance. In frost or ice accumulation happens, then it can interfere with optimal refrigeration, causing compressors to run less efficiently. So, it should be thawed either by turning the system off temporarily or by using hair dryer to expedite the process. For any query related to maintenance, please drop in the comment box. We will surely come up with an answer. For more such interesting videos, please like, share, subscribe to our YouTube channel and don't forget to press the bell icon. Thank you.